Hey guys, just a quick video here to show you how to install the new Black Oak lights. Went ahead and removed the top lids and the filter box to make the video a little quicker. You're going to take the mounting bracket that's included with the light kit. We went ahead and pre-drilled the holes, but you'll take the mounting bracket, measure down about 6 inches, center the bracket up, mark your holes, use a 1/2 inch drill bit to drill them out. Then you come over here to the pump wire coming out of the side. We're going to undo that, pull it back inside of the tank. I'm going to take a 1/2 inch drill bit and make this opening a little bit bigger for both of the wires to fit through. You're going to take your light and the mounting bracket and slide it over, or slide the wire through it, the center hole, pull it all the way through. You're going to take a screw and this black piece that comes with it, slide that over the screw, stick your screws in, get your other one, you're going to run your wire through the center hole that we've got pre-drilled here. We're going to pull out the excess. And we're going to stick both the screws through. Okay. Then we're going to take the washer and nuts included, put them on the back side. Once we get both of those secured on there, we'll use the Allen wrench, tighten them down. And an 8mm wrench to hold the nut. Try to get both the screws nice and snug. Once you've got them snug, we'll just take the wire for the light and the wire for the pump and run it out the hole we drilled bigger. Pull all your excess out and you should be good to go.